Nyo lahat, and this is our first video for beginners course Excel. Ang gamit ko today is Microsoft 365. This is the version of Excel. So if you are not using the Microsoft 365 version of Excel and how it looks, but most of it are pretty much the same. So let's look at the interface first. We call it the ribbon, and then we have the different tabs and commands there. So if we click, let's say the home tab, then we'll get the commands for the whole tab. So if we click the insert tab, it will have a separate set of commands. So page layout, formulas, meron siyang sariling commands, date, view, help. And then itong acrobatic, just an add-in that I add because of my Adobe license. So home font. So home and font. If you click this little box here na may arrow here, actually that would bring you into more options for commands or functions or features na napili nyo. Since you click font, now we get several features or commands for font. And then let's say here, if you click this one here, then that would be for the alignment. Phone number, if you click that phone number, then we're going to get the numbers for that. Gusto nyo how we could use yung keyboard shortcut keys. The way to do that is you can press Control Alt. If one side you press Control Alt, means in front of your tabs. Let's say I would like to go to the home tab. So I'll just have to press H. If I want to go to the insert tab, I'll just press N. So let's go to the insert tab. So I'll press N. So now, nandun na tayo sa loob ng insert tab. And then may mga specific letters today if you want to go to those specific commands. Let's say press escape to go back to the previous menu. Let's say gusto natin H, that's for the home tab. And we would like to insert. So that's I press I. And then may option tayo. Insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, and then insert sheet. So if you want to insert sheet, you have to press Control S. So wala tayong yung note sheet. If I press S, then another sheet would be inserted. That's how we can use commands using keyboard shortcuts. What yung interface naman, we already talked about the interface. Now let's talk about yung quick access toolbar natin. Yung quick access toolbar natin, and sa akin is it's here. It says customer access quick access toolbar. So if I press that one, we have several commands here that where you can add to your quick access toolbar. See, if I would like to add new, again, the new command would be included. If I want save, if I want email or a quick print or undo or redo, you can add some more. If you want to click some more commands, and then you can find that command here. And then once you find your commands, you just have to select it and then you can click add. So now the insert cells or insert sheet rows, you can add and you just click OK. So now those insert cells, insert sheet rows are included. If you don't want to include that, you just have to right click, remove from quick access toolbar. Right click, remove from quick access toolbar. Now your quick access toolbar, it can be show above the ribbon. So now it's showing at the top, or you can show it below the ribbon, or you can even hide it. Hide quick access toolbar. It's very useful yung quick access toolbar kasi yung mga common commands natin, you can include it here. We will not navigate anymore dun sa ribbons, especially yung mga most commonly used. Navigation tips, we have templates here. If you're looking for a template, you just have to go to File, New, and then may style that you can use or even tutorials that you can find useful. May formula tutorial, pivot a table tutorial, a monthly expense, there's a lot of templates that you can choose from. So if you're, let's say, looking for a template, you just have to type, let's say, invoice. If I click enter, then lalabas yung mga several options or several templates for the invoice. And then you just have to choose that one colorful sales invoice, let's say. And then you just have to create the download that specific invoice. Now, on an invoice template, which you can use for your own project,